the pellet machine in the production process. Didn't pay attention to some details will cause damage to the pellet machine. You must pay attention to these points. First, during the processing, no metal error or stone allowed. Mixed into raw materials. Then during the operation process, check the oil pump. Is it running normally? Is the oil pipe following smoothly? Biomass pellet machine during operation. Don't feed too fast, otherwise it will cause blockage and generate high temperature. If you want to know more details, please leave a message in the comment area.